style received in January. Okay, so now we need to link that particular surface or the modification with respect to style 2. Okay, so which is marked in yellow. So what we can do, we'll just name this as input style. So here we can go for the another join. So we'll select the surface, go for the distance propagation. So this is the style 2 we have, okay, which is received in Feb. Revision 2 or revision 01. So you simply need to replace this component. Okay, so this is, if you just check what the parents and children's we have, so they are the n number of surfaces we have linked. Okay, so they are the n number of surfaces we have linked. So what we can do, you can simply click replace, then select this surface. So we'll ask you the number of surface to get replaced. So this is something like is asking this particular face which is highlighted into the orange, so that you need to select somewhere here. Then again he's asking something like this patch you need to replace. Again he's asking something like this. So this is how you have to go on increasing and replacing this particular surfaces, what it's going to be asking. So this is nothing but we already selected or used this particular surfaces, so that's why reason is going to be asking for us. So it's any change in the surface we have, so that going to be called something like this. Okay, again here you can find, you can add, you can use this. Again you can add somewhere here. Okay, so what are the surfaces we have, so that we are going increasing, he will reflect over here. Is not something like only whatever is reflect that we can use. So you can select this and again give that particular, again you can select this. Okay, so as per your requirement you can select that and give that as well. There is no such a condition whatever he's asking that we need to replace. So but ultimately everything should be green at left side as well. Okay, so this is something like the everything will be green, and at end we're going to have this orange and orange. Then if you click OK, so now you can find this join is get linked with the rest of the surfaces. Okay, so this is the method we're going to be follow in the industry, in automotive industry, to replace the style. Okay, so with respect to that, what are the surfaces now we have in this particular January, you can try to delete, so it automatically get delete. Okay, so there will be nothing. So this joint is there, so if we just delete this joint as well, so you can find if this surface we need to delete, so we can delete that previous style. And if you just want to delete this, you can find, so everything is linked with this new surfaces now, which is received in February revision 01. Okay, so there might be the little bit changes, this particular patches we have 3, so there might be the single patch we received over here. So that are that kind of this simple easy change we need to do, and with respect to that we can easily replace the style 1 which is received in 01 style. Okay, so with respect to that in January what we received, and now we can have in February, so that we can easily replace the style. Okay, so this is how the process will be working in automotive industry to replace the style.